Good morning. So, I'm not really much of a YouTuber, but needing to change out the purge valve on 2017 F-150. So, I thought I would just kind of record the process. So, I'm not going to claim I'm a mechanic or anything. I learned this process through watching other YouTube videos. But this thing right there is the purge valve, and this is a new one bought on Amazon. It is a Ford part. Basically just gonna pull off this hose and undo the two bolts, do the hose and then the electrical connector and then the two bolts, and then reverse the process. Okay, so I got the clip off. It took a little bit of effort with the screwdriver and some needle nose pliers. You got to squeeze the little green tips of that clip and then slide the clip upward in the case of this 2017 model. I've seen some videos with 2014 models where it was kind of sideways, which was easier to get to. And then pulling the wire off, and then as you can see, I'm undoing the two 8mm bolts. All right, new pieces on. I didn't have like video of me cranking on the bolts. It was super easy. Two 8mm bolts. The electrical, easy to pull off. Push down on the little clip and pull backwards. The green plastic here, you have to squeeze at the bottom. That's where I had to use a needle nose pliers or a screwdriver for one end because my finger wouldn't fit. After that, everything went in. I would say, knowing what you're doing, this is a 15-minute job, including finding your tools. Following the installation of a new purge valve with the hopeful objective of fixing a long/hard start problem on a pretty low mile 17 F-150, but it is 7.5 years old, so some parts just wear from age. Hopefully this will resolve it. Dealership could not reproduce it. Happened to me frequently. Just changed the part because it was cheap on Amazon. Gonna try this one more time now with the hood closed. It wouldn't start with the hood open. For anyone wondering, that is a completely cold start. It's about 50 degrees out. It's a stock exhaust with a Flowmaster 50 series muffler welded in, that's all.